Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are most welcomed. My name is Goodness, and on this channel I talk about hair, skin and healthy lifestyle. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Let's build a healthy, beautiful community together. In this video I share with you my favorite face glow mask. This mask will help you clear blemishes, brighten and give you that radiantly smooth skin. To make this mask, we need honey, lemon and turmeric. Lemon helps with reducing acne and blemishes. It's same with turmeric. Turmeric has antifungal, antibacterial property, which also helps to clear blemishes as well. And honey helps to smoothen skin with also antibacterial properties. This mask gives an instant glowing face. I just combined a teaspoon of honey, lemon and a teaspoon of turmeric, and this is the consistency I have. Now mine is a bit runny, but if you want it thicker, then you can reduce the quantity of lemon. And if you have a sensitive skin, you can also replace lemon with either cucumber water or any water of your choice. So I like to do this in my bathroom. This can be a little messy, so I like to do it here, and I like to do it with my hand. I've tried applying this mask with a brush, a face brush, but then I feel comfortable using my hand. My hand gives me opportunity to gently exfoliate my face while applying this mask, which is why I love to use my hand. And once this is ready, once I'm done applying, I leave it on my face for about 2 hours, then I rinse off with a warm water. And thank you so much for watching this video. Share and like this video. Bye.